good day. This bike is a brand new one, and it has a couple of quick release features to let me put it in a car or anywhere else. And my daughter's going to have it, and she's not familiar with how to use this. So this little short video is to explain how to use some of the quick release features, in particular the seat and the front wheel. Okay, so let's get to it. The seat has a quick release feature. You just grab this here, and you can pull this right out. So if you need it taller, say you're that tall, well, that's a problem. Actually, it doesn't recommend that you go any taller than this, but yeah, if you need it taller, want it taller, go there. That's great. So that's probably about where she'll want it. And I will clamp that down, get this forward, clamp it down. And the front wheel, now the front wheel's a bit weird. This has disc brakes on it, and that means that there is one less thing to do. If you have normal brakes, what you've got to do is unhook those normal brakes, which isn't a big deal. You just pull it back and pop it out. I'll show you that in just a second. But on this one, pretty straightforward. All you do is, again, loosen up, pull back the quick release, and you think, okay, great, now I just pull it off, but it won't come off. Why won't it come off? Well, that's because it's still too tight. So you have to use your fingers and back this off a bit. There we go. And bingo, it just pops off. Now when you're putting this back on, in my case, because I've got disc brakes, I have to align the disc brakes as well. There we go. And then tighten this back up. Well, not even finger tight, just so it's, you know, not ridiculously loose, because you don't want your front wheel coming off. And there we go, nice and tight. On my old bike, I have the old brakes. And so the way you pull these off is just squeeze this in and lift this out. This will just lift out. See that? And then you can quick release it and you're on your way. And in fact, I have to do that right now because I'm going somewhere and I need to put this in the back of my Tesla. So I'm going to pull it off. Here we go. Hey, if you found this useful, please click like. Subscribe's always appreciated as well. And leave a comment. If we don't get back to you, somebody else will, but you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.